Satnam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophia Sachtaram and I am delighted to share with you a pranayama practice to help balance the 5 elements in the body. Bring your hands together in a prayer mudra. We will tune in with Adi Mantra before we begin. Inhale deeply and exhale, bringing your gaze to the third eye space. Inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Deeply suspend the breath. Bowing humbly to the wisdom within. The teacher is our breath. Exhale. So, if you haven't watched the tutorial video for this pranayama, please click on the link below and in the description and watch that video before you begin. Bring the hands into the mudra, pinky and thumb tips touch, palms towards each other, all other fingers are straight up, gaze to the third eye space, and we begin a powerful dog breath with the tongue sticking out, pumping the navel as we breathe. Here's your 3-minute mark. You could finish here if you wish or continue on. 5-minute mark. If you wish to complete your pranayama here, make sure you follow the ending properly. If you wish to continue, keep going. Here's your 7-minute marker. Last one, we'll pause at 10 minutes. Keep going if you wish. This breath helps unlock the diaphragm, takes away the anger. It could return you to the state of innocence. Keep going, stick the tongue powerfully out, and use your navel and the diaphragm to breathe the dog breath. Last minute to go. Take a deep inhale through the mouth. Suspend the breath and press the underside of the tongue to the upper palate, holding the breath in for 15 seconds. Through the mouth, exhale. Repeat again, inhale. Underside of the tongue to the upper palate, suspend the breath, pull the root lock, hold the mudra. Exhale. Last time. And exhale. Relax the hands. You can rotate your wrists for a moment. And bring the hands onto the lap now, palms facing up. And just allow the breath to flow organically, sensing and feeling the movement of the energy and the movement of the prana within your body. You may wish to stay here as long as you need to. You could also come onto your mat for Shavasana if you wish. But for the purposes of our video, let's do our practice by bringing the hands to the heart center to seal with the mantra Satnam. Inhale deeply. So much for practicing this pranayama, correcting the 5 tattvas with me. I hope you enjoy and feel the effects of this pranayama for hours and days to come. If you give this practice a chance, it will give you lots of palpable benefits to carry you through your life journey.